Right? Last minute, spur of the moment, beach day. Plan is to get some food, head down the water, have some fun. Right?
Well, I saw cars up here. Are these someone's cars?
Yeah,
Oh, they're Ruby's.
the Ruby's cars.
So those are the cars that you could get.
Go ahead. Great.
Yeah.
Hold up to chip shape right here and enjoy.
Huh?
I'll get it out of there. All right.
Yours. No, upper.
Well, that one's perfect. That's what they always say. Dad, I'm fluid. Dad, I'm fluid.
Smash it.
Can you smash it for us?
Oh.
Okay, that's fun. Oh my God!
Those little bugs. It's okay, forget it. Hey, don't get wet. Ah, there's all these little bugs everywhere. And we're building the most awesomest sandcastle ever. Well, not really. You guys are getting all wet. Oh, shit. Sorry.
It's all good.
Can you dry me up?
I don't have anything to dry up with.
The towels.
Done with the beach. You guys got really wet. Time to go home. Lots of fun.